Good morning once again. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Megdad, please remove this background.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
I just
Yeah,
had a doubt about the homework checking.
yeah, please tell me.
Ma'am, the last three puzzle questions were not there.
Answers were there.
Ma'am, last three were not there.
Last three are not there.
Puzzle.
Just
As I'm
please check.
puzzled.
Just please check.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was only till the 11 equals to 2, 5 and 1. And
Let me
after that there's 3.
let me check. Megdad, mute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. 11. It is 11 equals to 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1, right? After that, how many sums are there?
3, ma'am.
Three more are there?
Yes, ma'am. I've written them. Two
Okay.
more. Sorry, ma'am. Two more. I have a
Oh,
doubt.
yes, please. Ask. Please ask who is saying I have a doubt.
Ma'am,
Please ask. Please ask.
Ma'am, can you open the answer sheet for me because my answer sheet not open on my side.
Okay, I will open.
So, and there's two more.
Let
You
me
could
check,
check in the
Meghdad.
holiday homework.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, there is two more. 24, 3, 2, and 10. Yes? Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
And then one more is 5, 2, 8,
So
4.
what you have done in this?
We completed exercise A. What have I?
What you have done in this to get the answer?
Yeah, ma'am, I have in the 24, 3, 2, 10. I have divided the 24 by 3 and then plus the 2. So it's 10.
Equal to sign will come in between these, right?
No, ma'am. Equal to sign will come again the 10.
Yeah, here it will come again the tens, right? So 24 divided by 3 is what?
8
8
plus 2
and
was
2 is
10.
10. Yes, your answer is right. So the equal to shifted towards the in between 2 and 10. Got it?
Yes, yes.
And the next one is, tell me how you have done the next
Ma'am,
one.
I have put the minus in the
Ma'am,
front
on which
and
page number?
Wait, I will present. I will present my
Ma'am,
screen.
what you are doing?
First of all, good morning once again to you all those who have joined late.
Good
As
morning,
I
ma'am.
requested you to join, please 1 or 2 minutes before, not after the timings. Still, we are 21, including me, right? So,
Ma'am,
wait, Mikdad, mute yourself, please. Everyone, please mute yourself for a minute. Mute yourself, yes. As I already, Lakshya Thakral, Anya Mittal, Ekansh, Vivan Balchandani, Jan Agarwal, sit with your camera on. Khush Ahuja. I think I no need to request you all every time to switch on with your camera. Now I will make a policy of if your camera is off, I will directly remove you from my class. Will it be fine for you all? Ekansh, Khush Ahuja, Vivan Balchandani. I am assuming that you are not at your place. That's why your camera is off. Khush Ahuja, I think you are not at your place. My dear children, we are not here for playing with the camera that we sometimes keep it off, sometimes keep it on. No.
Ma'am, I
Always
was
sit
taking
with
the
your
book.
camera. So before you should be come prepared when you enter in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, as I told you, again I am repeating, Aryam and Sangai, you have joined 2 minutes late. Mohit have joined 1 minute late. Many of you have joined on the margin time at night. Ekansh, again your camera is off. What do you think, the teacher is not noticing? My dear, now without giving any information, I will directly remove you from my class. If there is any child, play with the camera, again and again turning off the camera and turning on the camera, that child will not come in my class next time. Got it, everyone? And please join 1 or 2 minutes before, because I always join 5 to 10 minutes before the class. Please join before, not on margin time, because then 5 minutes goes like this only every day. Got it, everyone? So children, now we begin the class. Gunav, sit with your camera on, please. So as you already know that yesterday I have sent you an answer key related. Yesterday we have discussed, yesterday we don't have a class. Day before yesterday we have discussed the sum, and I have sent you the answer key to check your answers whether it is right or wrong. So is there any difficulty to any child in any of the answers so that we can discuss? Yes, Ayush Singhania. Raise your virtual hand. I will see you, and then I will discuss with you all. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, I do not have difficulty in a question. I want to ask.
Yeah, then
I have at least checked the work in the summer homework holiday. So
Please.
is it okay?
please send.
Yes, I have sent.
Okay. But I have checked in the morning that only 10 students have attached their work. I request to you all, please attach your work. Please. Please.
Ma'am, we have to attach the summer holiday one or the one you have sent us.
The folder which I have sent, the math summer holiday homework.
Ma'am, can I submit that?
Please submit after the class. It is compulsory to submit, everyone. I really appreciate you to submit, because it was your revision only. Okay. Yes, yes. I will present the screen. Yes, you will tell me the answer.
Okay.
Karnav joined late. Daksh Patel joined just now. 5 minutes late they are. And if you join 5 minutes late in my class, then will be a problem for you, not for me, my dear. Yes, yes, this is the answer key. Can you please tell me which question number? Yes, which question number? Can I scroll it up?
Answer key. Ma'am, the whole answer key.
You were there in my first class. Yes.
Yeah, not that one, the second and third one.
So you tell me which question you want to know.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have checked my worksheet. I will send by today.
Yes, please, Aryaman. Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
15 and 16.
14, 15, and 16.
Yeah.
Okay. Fourteen is how many angles are formed in the given figure. There are 4 angles formed. One is here, one is another here, third, and the fourth. Got it? How we find the angles, Yash? When 2 lines intersect, when 2 rays intersect each other here at a common point, we formed a angle. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are 4 angles. What is the measure of angle AOB in the given figure below? See, the total angle BOC is 134, but you know when the angle AOC is straight like this perpendicular line, then it's a 90 degree. So from 134, when you subtract the 90 degree, you will get 44 degree. Got it? Clear? 15th one? Yes, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see my board? Can you see my board? Are you able to see my board? Yes. If I say this is one angle and the complete angle is 134, but from this angle, if I draw a perpendicular line, so you know this angle is 90 degree. So what is this much angle? from entire 134, if you subtract the 90 degree, you will get the remaining angle. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Move to the next. Fill in the blanks. So here the 10 lakh will come. 10 lakh place will be right to the right of the crores place. So here not lakh, 10 lakh will come. Got it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have attached the homework in your folder. Right.
Okay. 10 crore equals to how many millions?
100 million.
1 million equals to how many lakhs?
10 lakh.
When the angles between 0 degree to 90 degree are the acute angle. The measure of complete angle is
360 degree.
360 degree. Dash angle is equivalent to 4 right angles.
Complete.
90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. If 4 right angles you will add, yes.
Right
Ma'am,
angle.
Someone is saying math.
90 degree.
Wait, children. Yes, Rudra Jajadia.
Ma'am, in the sixth question, there is written over there. I had written 360 degree. Over there, I had not written complete.
In the sixth one?
Yes, I had written.
No. There you can write the name of the angle also.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I had wrote 360 degree.
It's okay. You have written 360 degree, but you should write the name of the angle also. Got it?
I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am,
Yeah,
in
please
the
ask.
last one.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in the last one, I'm asking. In the last one, I have written unlimited, and you have written infinite. So, is it okay if I let?
No, the mathematical word
unlimited
is
number of rays can be drawn from given point?
no. Infinite only will come. The mathematical word is infinite word.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I wrote infinite only, but actually I did the sign of the infinite.
You did the sign of infinite.
Yeah.
It's okay. The angle which is formed by the hands of a clock when it is 3 o'clock, it's 90 degree. A right angle measure 90 degree. Infinite, you can make the sign of infinite also. Number of rays can be drawn from a given point. When we go to the puzzle, I think you all have checked, but this Migdad is saying there are 2 more in this, which is not showing in the answer key. So this is 5. Migdad, 1 we have already discussed. Can we go to the next one, last one, Migdad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But children, please note that in puzzle, there can be many, your answers can be varied, many solutions. Therefore, it is written here also for some calculation, more than one answer may be valid. Maybe your answer is coming different, mine is coming different, but it is, if it is giving the same answer finally, then your answer is also right. Got it? Okay. Yes, Migdad, can you tell me the last one?
Ma'am, there's a minus in between 4 and 2, divide in between 28 and 4, and equals to between 5 and 28.
Equals to between, okay, so you have done division here, right? So 28 divided by 4 is what?
7.
7.
Okay.
Minus 2 equals to 5.
5. Good. Okay, good. Your answer is right. Got it, Migdad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, children. Now I request you to
Ma'am,
please.
I have also done the same way.
Okay, thank you. So I request you all, please attach your work in the maths folder only. Okay, where it is written math summer holiday homework. And please attach, the last day is today. Okay, after that it will not be accepted. Got it? And please do, because it was your revision only. Now we go to the next chapter number 3. How many squares? Please open the chapter number 3 in your textbook. In this chapter, what are we going to learn? Which we have already, one class we have already done before our summer break. In that we have learned about the area and the perimeter, and that we have discussed in our grade 4 also how to find what is area first of all, and how to find the area of a given figure, and how to find the perimeter of a given figure, and what is the perimeter. Got it? But in your textbook, first exercise is given how many squares. Why it is squares? Why they are talking about the square? Why they are talking about the rectangle in this? And first of all, we should know the properties. Wait. Let me complete this and then you give me the answers. First of all, we should know about the properties of the square and the properties of the rectangle. How many sides the square has? It's a four-sided figure.
Four-sided.
It's a four-sided figure. But in this four-sided figure, all four sides are equal. Equal means what? If the length of this side is 2 centimeter, then the length of this side is also 2 centimeter. The length of this side is also 2 centimeter. The length of this side is also 2 centimeter. This means the equal length. Till here, everyone clear? Now we go to the next figure. No need to write anything, just to understand. When it is required to write, I will instruct you what to write. Now next figure is the rectangle figure. This figure is also a four-sided figure. But what is the difference between this square and the rectangle?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, the rectangle has two sides similar.
Please
But
raise
square
your
has four
virtual
sides
hand. I
similar.
will call your name. Let me take attendance for a minute, and then please raise your virtual hand.
Not placing the hand in my device.
Okay. Then you raise your hand, then I'll see. Physical hand. Wait a minute. Let me take the attendance for a minute. Okay. Please raise your virtual hand so that I can call your name and I will tell you to please give me the answer. Okay. Anya Mittal, yes. Can you please explain us that both the figures are four-sided figure, but what is the difference between these two figures?
Yes, ma'am. The rectangle have two-sided same.
Two-sided same. Which two sides? These two sides same or these two sides same?
Every you can choose.
Any two sides are same.
No, up or down and the side by
That are
side.
called opposite sides.
Opposite sides are same and the
Equal,
square.
not same. You can say, you can use the word equal in length.
Equal
Okay.
sides.
Opposite sides are equal. And in this rectangle, the longer side is the length and the shorter is the breadth or the width, you can say. Right? So if this is 4 centimeter, the opposite of this length is this is also 4 centimeter. And this is 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter. So in the rectangle, opposites, the length of opposite sides or the breadth, opposite sides are equal, you can say. Right? Longer is the length, shorter is the breadth. Till here, everyone is clear? Now, what they are talking about in the second point, first point is written, measure the side of the red square on the dotted sheet. Draw here as many rectangles as possible using 12 such squares. Now, Now, how from the squares will it be possible to make a rectangle?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you tell which page number we are? Because
We are doing
I
chapter
don't know.
number 3. So you need to find out from your textbook
Okay.
where it is.
Yeah, I got, but which I know it's 34 page number. We are on that or on 35?
Yes, 34. Page number 34. It's saying that measure the side of a red square. Red square is already drawn here on your in your book. Can you all see that? Okay, measure its sides. Tell me, after measuring, how you will measure? You will measure it with the scale and measure the sides and tell me each side of the square. Tell me fast. From 0 you can put and then measure it. How much is the each side? If you have a scale with you, please
Mom,
measure it.
I'm 1 centimeter.
Yes, 1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
All the sides of the square is 1 centimeter. If I tell you use this 1 centimeter square,
1 centimeter.
use 12 1 centimeter squares and make a rectangle from it. Will it be possible to make a rectangle from these squares?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. This is possible to make a rectangle from the squares. For example, how you will arrange in length and breadth so that your area will come 12 because you are using 12 squares. This also we can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In one row also you can able to arrange them. Then also it is the shape of a rectangle only. Yes or no? This you can see from the table also. One row, 12 columns make one rectangle. Got it? Now, 2 rows, 6 columns also make the rectangle. Got it? Yes or no? When you arrange in the 2 rows, can I erase this? For example, again you want to make the different rectangle with the 12 squares only. So I will arrange them in the 2 rows and 6 columns. Now tell me what is the area of this figure? If one square is 1 centimeter, what is the area of this complete figure?
Ma'am, 12.
Ma'am, 12 is 2 centimeter.
12, ma'am.
Yes,
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 centimeter, 12 square centimeter. Always remember when you are finding the area of any figure, then you will always use the square centimeter or square unit, whichever the unit has been used. Whether it is meter or centimeter, whatever the unit is used, you will use that unit with the square. Got it? Yes or no? Same way, how can you tell me more ways to find to arrange these 12 squares and make a rectangle? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand.
Perimeter is 16.
Raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand that you will make a rectangle by using these 12 squares. How you will make? Can you tell me more ideas?
Ma'am.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am, I could use 3 rows and 4 columns.
Very good. 3 rows, 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And ma'am, can I tell now?
Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
can I tell now?
We can use four columns and three.
3 rows and 4 columns is done. You
Four
can,
columns and 3 rows.
yeah. That is also same. Either you can use 3 rows, 4 columns.
4 rows
Now
and
you can
3
use it at
columns.
4 rows and 3 columns. Alternate you can
3
say.
columns.
Got it? 4 rows and 3 columns. Then also the area will be same.
Ma'am, we can also make 2 column and 4
Two
2 column and 6 row.
That is done. That was my first, which I have explained you. More ideas? Can anyone try?
Ma'am, 12 rows and 1 column.
12 rows and 1 column. Excellent. Yes. Got it? Okay. Got it, children? Okay. Now I make one figure here. Now, first of all, you tell me, as we were learning about the area. So what is the area of, what is the definition of an area?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, there.
The outer part of any figure.
Outer
The inner part of any figure.
or the space occupied by a figure, right?
The
If
inner
I-
is occupied by any figure. It's called
Yes.
the area.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, somebody is telling ma'am. I want to show you one video also. Yes, yes, Rudra. Once you say ma'am, you speak also.
ma'am, if the rectangle with if we need to make 6 rectangles by 6 squares, so how we can make?
6 squares, 4 rectangles. I don't understand your question, my dear.
Ma'am, if we have 4
If you have 4
squares
squares,
and
you can.
to make,
You want to
and
make
we need to make 6 shapes.
No, I'm not getting still. If you have 4 squares and you need
shapes.
to make a rectangle.
No, ma'am, 6 shapes.
6 shapes, which shapes you
Rectangle.
want? 6 rectangle shapes from a square. From
Rectangle.
4 squares.
Yes.
No, my dear, you first confirm what you need to ask and then ask me tomorrow, no problem. Okay. Suppose this is the figure and I give you a hint that each square is 1 centimeter. Suppose this is the
He's
figure.
trying to say that he's trying to say that we have 4 squares on with us, and we want to make 6 different rectangles. So that's not possible.
Yeah.
So he just wants to know how
Yeah.
can we.
If you want to make it in
Then
the,
that's not possible.
because there are 4 squares only, no? Now listen here, this is the figure. Each square is 1 centimeter. Find the, will it be possible to find the area of this figure?
Ma'am, 16
Yes,
square centimeter.
Who told?
16.
Kush. Kush, can you please tell me how you have done?
Ma'am, there are 4 columns and 4 rows.
Okay, so if we want to use the formula, so which formula? We will use the formula of a rectangle, or area of a rectangle, or area of a square. Who will tell me? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Area of a square.
Yes, Lakshya.
Ma'am, the square of the area of square
Side multiplied by side, and
Yes.
the 4 multiplied by 4
Because
is equal to 16 square centimeter.
very good. As this figure, you can by looking at this figure only, you can recognize that 4 rows and 4 columns are there. Means both rows and columns are same. Then the figure is square figure. Got it, everyone? Rows and columns are same. 4 rows, 4 columns. Number of rows and number of columns are same in this. So it means it's a
Yes.
square. So when you do 4 multiplied by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 centimeter, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 centimeter, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. It means you can say that side multiplied by side. So the formula is area of a square equals to side multiplied by side. 4 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter give you 16 square centimeter.
Ma'am, if it is a rectangle, so it will length multiply by breadth.
Yes. So I will go to the rectangle now. Suppose this figure
Ma'am,
is
in
given to
this,
you.
I can make this one more same to same by 1 row and 16 columns.
Yes. But the area will remain the same. Now in this you can tell me which figure is this first of all. Ekans, tell me which figure is this?
Rectangle.
A rectangle. How can you notice that this is rectangle?
Ma'am, because opposite sides are same.
Okay. And Redhan, how you will find the area? Because length and breadth is not given to you. But the square drawn here is given to you, and I'll give you a hint that one square is 1 centimeter.
Yes.
Or one square is 1 meter. Now you will change the unit. So now can you tell me what is the area of this figure? Tell me
14.
fast.
14
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 2. Yes. Is 14 what? Only 14?
14 meter.
Only meters?
14 square centimeter.
14 square meter, not centimeter will come because the unit is meter here. And
Ma'am, I want
square
the
is
formula.
compulsory. So the formula is
Formula
area of a rectangle
length multiply by breadth.
equal to length multiplied by breadth, because this is rectangle, as you know, opposite sides have equal length, and this is L, this is B, because this is the longer line and this is the shorter. So this is breadth, this is length, and the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares,
7.
and this breadth is 2 meters. So length is 7 meter multiplied by 2 meter, 14 square meter. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
So what we have done today? Today we have learned about how to find out the area of a given figure. Area of a rectangle and area of a square by counting the squares, or by after count, if you know the length and breadth also, then also you can find out with the formula. Clear, everyone? I'm going to show you one video. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
My dear, I'm going to show you one video.
Ma'am, I can drink water.
Yes, please. Is this video visible to you all? Yes or no? Yes. I'm going to mute myself now. Listen it properly.
Hello everyone. You have already completed 2 chapters. Now moving ahead, we are going to start our next chapter. That is, how many squares? I want to ask you that, what do you think we learn in this chapter? Maybe your answers would be squares? Yes. So we learn more about squares, rectangles, triangles, and much more. I assure you that you will definitely enjoy and understand the concepts well. So, here let's start our chapter. How many squares? Chocolate. We all get so excited by even its name. So what happens? Once grandma got chocolates for her grandchildren and the grandchildren were so happy about it that even Raja started showing its excitement. Grandma gave him the bone because he can't eat chocolate, right? But again, as it always happens, the grandchildren started arguing that who is going to take rectangular chocolate because the rectangular one appears to be bigger. Which Meenu objected and said that he always does this, that he always wanted the bigger one. He always takes the bigger one because the square one appears to be smaller. So he said that he is going to take only the bigger one, that is the rectangular one. But Meenu said that this cannot happen this time. Every time she always suffers and has to take the smaller one. So the grandmother started thinking that what should be done. So she asked Futa to help her and divide the chocolate and decide which one is bigger. Because then after that she will divide the chocolate and distribute it amongst them. So Futa started helping them. So, for the help, first of all, we need to measure the chocolates, that what is the measurement of the chocolates. Only then we will be able to know how much is which one and we can decide which one out of them is bigger. So, for that, Futa used the scale as you can see and measure, but he concluded that both the chocolates were of same size. Now, same size means they were of equal area, but the rectangular one appears to be bigger. Why is it so? So, for this, we see that both the chocolates are made up of the small squares as you can see. Right. Those small squares are in both, that is in the rectangular one and the square one. And both the squares are having the length one and breadth one. So if you count squares in the square chocolate, you will find that there are 4 squares across the length and 4 squares across the breadth. So we see that there are 4 squares in both directions. So in total it makes 16 squares. So we can see that in the square chocolate we have 16 squares and each square is of measurement 1 centimeter. So we can see that the area of this square chocolate would be 16. Why so? Because the area under this shape is the area of this chocolate. So we say that the area of this chocolate would be the area of 16 squares and each square is of 1 centimeter. So the total area of this square chocolate is 1 into 16, giving us 16 square centimeter. But what about the rectangular chocolate? Now square chocolate has been just done measured. What about the rectangular one? Now we are going to measure the rectangular chocolate. For that, we will measure the squares on the rectangular chocolate. As you can see, Buzz is counting squares in the rectangular chocolate. So we see that 8 squares are there across the length and we have 2 squares across the breadth. So we have 8 multiplied 2, that's 16. So we have 16 squares in the rectangular chocolate. But isn't that equal to the chocolate that we had earlier, that is the square chocolate? Squares, right. So we can say that the area of both the chocolates were equal. Hope you have understood the concept.
children, you understood today's video what it is about. Even if the shape is changing, but if the area is same, right? Then who will explain this?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, there.
Ma'am, can I? I would like.
Ma'am, 2 minutes. But I cannot see your screen.
Okay. Ayush, you tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. Now I can see.
Yeah.
Yes.
So which you have drawn on the board.
No. The video which I have shown you, even if it is the shape of a rectangle and it is another one is the shape of a square, but both having the same area, right? Sometimes you also get confused.
Yeah.
No? Maybe this is in rectangle and this is bigger and this is in square and this it's not big.
Yeah.
It is smaller.
So,
So
ma'am, we can do like that with one big like this. And if we do like this, it will be a rectangle. So both will come same. If
But
we
it
take
is-
big square,
whenever you want to measure something, the idea behind is whenever you want to measure something and you want to find which is smaller, which is bigger, it is better to measure it and then find the area. Got it? Thank you, children, for today's class.
bye bye.